So here we have the Mercedes-Benz C180 on an 09 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a four-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space available in there. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge and the coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the speedometer for the car, and then the rev counter is over on the right-hand side. Within the rev counter, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are, of course, in park at the moment. And within the speedometer, you can see the total miles for this car. They're only 74,399, so very low mileage for the car's age. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have controls out here that will help you to change the information that's displayed in that central section. For example, you can have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. We have our speed limiter and cruise control just here, and then over into the center, the screen for the stereo itself. So firstly, when it comes to the radio, we have FM, as you can see. We've also got medium wave, short wave and long wave. Every push of the radio button will take you round a different wave band. We have our CD player, of course, and you can pair up your telephone, all of which are accessed just here with the main volume for the stereo. Below that, we have our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control of the direction of the air and fan speed to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You can manually override that whenever you wish to. We can open this section with a 12-volt charging socket and some storage just there, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This dial and button can be used to control everything on the screen. So you can see there that I'm working my way around the various different screen settings using that dial. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.